everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sharmin. Today I'm going to teach you gas exchange. Okay, in human gas exchange systems links the circulatory system with the atmosphere. It's adapted to number one, clean and warm air that enters during breathing. Number two, maximize the surface area for diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the blood and atmosphere. Number three, minimize the distance for this diffusion. Number four, maintain adequate gradients for this diffusion. Most organisms need a supply of oxygen for respiration. In single-celled organisms, the oxygen simply diffuses from the fluid outside the cell through the cell surface membrane and into the cytoplasm. In a multicellular organism such as a human, however, most of the cells are a considerable distance away from the external environment from which the oxygen is obtained. Okay guys, multicellular organisms therefore usually have a specialized gas exchange surface where oxygen from the external environment can diffuse into the body and carbon dioxide can diffuse out. In humans, the gas exchange surface in the alveoli in the lungs. Although each individual alveoli is tiny, the alveoli collectively have a huge surface area, probably totaling around 70 meters square in an adult. Okay, and this means that a large number of oxygen and carbon dioxide molecules can diffuse through the lungs. The lungs are in the thoracic cavity surrounded by the pleural membranes which enclose an airtight space. These spaces contain a small quantity of fluid to allow friction-free movements as the lungs are ventilated by the movement of the diaphragm and the ribs. Here, bronchi and bronchioles. The lungs are ventilated with air that passes through a branching system of airways leading from the throat to the lungs in the trachea, as you can see the diagram here. Okay, at the base of the trachea are two bronchi which subdivide and branch extensively, forming a branchial tree in each lung. Each bronchus divide many times to form smaller bronchioles, and terminal bronchioles divide to form even narrower respiratory bronchioles that supply the alveoli with air. And cartilage in the trachea and bronchi keeps this airway open and air resistance low and prevents them from collapsing or bursting as the air and pressure changes during breathing in the trachea. There is a regular arrangement of C-shaped rings of cartilage. This is here. Okay, and in the bronchi there are irregular blocks of cartilage instead. So guys, that's all. Thank you.